It is yet again time to work on my fig tree here. It is growing very vigorously. I don't know if you remember how tough I was on it previously when I pruned it. I'm gonna use the method on this tree, which is just gonna be clip and grow, let a new taper grow and then clip it off, let a new taper grow and then clip it off, and then one day I hopefully have an interesting taper of the tree and interesting ramification along the way. Maybe I'll also attach some wire to this one, but we'll have to see if it's in good enough conditions, this branch, because it has gone very thick and I don't think I'll be able to bend it very well right now. So maybe I'll just start over. And the good thing about me starting over here in this situation would be that all these new branches right here, their growth is a little bit less vigorous than these big ones. You can see there's like, I think maybe 4 centimeters between the nuts right here, and here is like less than 1. And in bonsai what you want is miniature growth, which these two offers. And then also another benefit of me starting over with this first branch on my tree is going to enable me to bend the branch as I want, instead of just having this long length one. But figs are easy to bend, I could do this, but the more I talk about it, the more I am convincing myself that I want to start over. So I think I'll just cut this one off and then start over with this little nice branch. Yes. Here we are. It's about taking drastic measures, this bonsai hobby. Just break this one off, and break this one off. Then I have a new one here. And I was just talking about ramification and interesting trunks. The only thing missing on this tree is unfortunately the taper, because look at this awesome body on this tree. It's so cool. I just need this side to look like this one as well, all dead and worn out. I think I'll let these two stay for further options later on. And I'm gonna use this one as the taper. So for now. This thick branch right here serves no purpose when I've already chosen this one as my new taper or leader, or what you might call it. So I think I'll saw this one off. I'll make a cutting from this one. It's a little thick one. And when you're working with figs, it's just putting in the ground. You don't even need root hormone or anything. I would say 9 out of 10, they are successful. It's such an easy tree to make cuttings of. Just remove the leaves as always, so there's as little for the tree to feed as possible, and then I'll just stick this one in the ground. Simple as that. I'm just leaving just gonna leave these two on the tree to give me options for the future. I'm probably gonna end up using this one as the secondary branch after this one. But I would like to have begun the tree a little bit further down, but it is what it is. I don't think the tree is willing to sprout further down, but we'll work with it. It's gonna be a big tree. Always a finger behind just the spot where you're wiring so it doesn't snap, and now I can guide it. There we go. Some very quick work on the fig, but needed to be done.